Mud crab farming is a profitable way to redefine aquaculture. Our mud crab farming with mangroves is a privately owned estate we have been developing for nearly 3 years. In this presentation, you will learn about our purpose, problem solving, market potential, and revenue model. By the end of this video, you will have an understanding of the feasibility of our business. Our purpose behind developing our estate, in particular in mud crab farming, is our aim to empower small and medium-sized businesses to capitalize on the power of agricultural innovation. The problems, to discuss potential revenue and capacity. It's essential to identify challenges in business, analyze root causes, and develop effective strategies. Key challenges include farming management. It requires skills, and management is crucial for mud crab farming success. Cannibalism due to excessive stocking density, skills. As we progress, we aim to connect these small and medium-sized enterprises with broader markets, allowing them to showcase their high-quality products to consumers who increasingly value sustainability and local sourcing. By doing so, we envision a thriving ecosystem where local businesses flourish, contributing to regional economies while promoting sustainable agricultural practices that can inspire similar initiatives across the globe. These issues can lead to mutual attacks, quantity loss, crop theft due to dense vegetation, and a potential loss of 20% of the farm's area. And the high cost of land for crab farms. Crab farms require a lot of area to house all the crabs. Our solutions. We apply our solutions for our mud crab farming innovation, which include complete mud crab training, farming methods, guides such as grow-out farming or fattening systems, adequate shelter and storage innovation, to educate how to shelter the crabs properly and store them securely. Affordable land. We offer our land for the construction of the mud crab. The size of the land will determine the potential revenue. Through our initiatives, we provide training programs and resources that equip local entrepreneurs with the knowledge and skills necessary to thrive in the competitive seafood market. These programs focus on best practices in mud crab cultivation, including water quality management, feed optimization, and disease prevention, ensuring that participants can improve their yields while minimizing their ecological footprint. This collaborative approach not only enhances individual business capabilities, but also strengthens the overall community, creating a robust support system for emerging aquaculture ventures. Because mud crab production is highly profitable if it is done right with appropriate knowledge and production systems. It has a large market demand, high nutritional value, tasty and consumption demand, and profitable commercial goods. The mud crab high value. Mud crabs are highly valued for any farming venture, as this product is popular in culinary traditions worldwide. They are a staple in Southeast Asian seafood markets and are featured in local dishes. The growing trend of sustainable seafood consumption has increased the demand for responsibly farmed mud crabs, creating opportunities for aquaculture development. Farmers are adopting innovative techniques, like controlled breeding, and environmentally friendly practices to enhance yield and population longevity. Market potential. The market size in the Philippines is 86 million US dollars. Mud crabs have good export potential. For price value, the local sells it from 950 to 1,300 pesos per kilogram. The largest market is Asia Pacific, with a market size of 11.21 billion US dollars as of the year 2023 report, which is the major player in the market is North America. In Russia, it was reported they produced 1,000 metric tons in the year 2020. According to economic studies, it has a potential growth of 14.81 billion by year 2028. The business model. To start a crab business, it is necessary to have knowledge and skills prior to starting. We can provide necessary educational training in our seminars prior to starting, which we aim to guide you on how to select the right mud crab species, mud crab farming methods, feeding management planning, crab breeding and reproduction, crab shelter and monitoring, harvesting mud crabs, and selecting market target size. As the landowner and mud crab farm founder, I have invested in intangible and tangible assets. I have an MBA in economics and finance and a legal background educated overseas. I brought my advocacy and experiences to the Philippines, where my understanding of commodity change value and market demands is applied in our agriculture farming, and shared my education with the farmers to develop the mud crab farm located in the province with accessibility and developed infrastructure within 30-40 minutes drive from the international airport. The land type is flat infrastructure with developed mangroves with access to seawater and fresh water, which is suitable for aquaculture. The land size is 10 hectares, or equivalent to 100,000 square meters of privately owned land. The financials: the 10-hectare land will be divided into mud crab farm and mangrove farm lots. Each lot consists of a 2,000 square meter pond that can breed 13 to 25 centimeter mud crabs. As for estimating revenue, a 13 centimeter regular crab size has 650 crabs per square meter, which can produce approximately 1.3 million crabs in volume. As for the market price, it is estimated it can be sold for 950 pesos per kilo for regular size and 1,300 pesos per kilo for bigger size. Depends on the farming strategy, and if farming is done right, crab farming can be scalable. Crab matures in 6 months or so, and it can be harvested twice in a year.